Veles is a blockchain innovation-based organization settled in Switzerland. It is a counterfeit instinct work DPoS blockchain biological system for interoperable and profoundly versatile exchanges. Veles has the quickest Ethereum virtual machine or eBPF crossover blockchain agreement, permitting up to 75,000 GOT exchanges each second. An exchange affirmation comes surprisingly close to 1.2 seconds. Besides, Veles used the upsides of blockchain innovation and devices to make a straightforward, open-source, local area-driven decentralized biological system. Thus, how about we get everything rolling with Veles cost forecast? The fork of Solana with implanted EVM mix mainnet was sent off in 2020. Veles has worked with the arrangement in light of Solana alongside its extra highlights, and it is viable with EVM and guarantees versatility to the stage. EVM permits Ethereum-based dApps and DeFi conventions to work flawlessly in Veles. Furthermore, Veles additionally upholds all Shroud agreements based on the Ethereum blockchain. Veles Opportunity Project is an aid for engineers. They don't need to take care of end expenses while building the tasks. The ongoing cost of Veles is 23 cents, with a market cap of $541,802,226.67. We should look into what will Veles be worth, alongside specialized investigation and Veles cost expectation. What is VLX? The local badge of the Veles stage is called VLX. Utility coin is mostly utilized in three ways. First and foremost, for marking. Brokers can stake it and get awards for block approval. For this situation, Veles utilize a pointed marking instrument. Stakers can assign their token to the favored hub. There is no restriction for assigning the stake. Besides, every one of the administrations of the Veles stage, like BitOrbit, are paid utilizing the VLX token. At long last, clients can exchange and put resources into VLX tokens like other cryptographic forms of money. The benefits incorporate installments made in VLX tokens that can be traded or sold at the ongoing business sector rate through administrations like Bittrex. HIPTC. Veles is prescribed to store the coin in Veles wallet. What are the benefits of utilizing Veles? Veles permits the client to construct decentralized applications. Shroud agreements upheld by speedy installment affirmation. The expense of exchanges is small in correlation with the rivals in the business. The biological system thinks about security, adaptability, and interoperability as the principal concerns. With Veles, purchasers can fabricate an application, run a validator hub, coordinate dApps from EVM, coordinate a trade, and accomplice in the award program for contributing items and innovation for the environment's development. To be a piece of the serious race in the blockchain business, Veles has reported plenty of new tasks which are exceptionally valuable for the clients. Some of them incorporate Veles Pad, BitOrbit, and Veles Record. Veles account involves biometric confirmation of the client gadget for exchanges and login demands. No requirement for isolated passwords. Veles account gives a 360-degree perspective on associated applications and meetings on all gadgets. Moreover, the point of interaction delivers simple movement from concentrated to decentralized arrangements. BitOrbit. It is a decentralized online entertainment stage for records, visits, and content. Content engineers can adapt their work, and adherents can pay for it, and this stays away from the intricacy of go-betweens contribution. VLX Specialized Investigation. The cryptographic money market has returned to a seriously persevering through bullish pattern for the December 7th exchanging meeting after the fierce fall of the earlier week. Other than monetary concerns and financial guidelines, financial backers began precluding the worries of the Omicron variation. BTC was flooding to $50,000, giving a certainty lift to the crypto market. Youthful financial backers are hustling behind crypto lunacy and got significant computerized resources at lower costs when the market had plunged the week before. The worldwide digital currency market hit $2.37 trillion, unfurling very much a development. Complete crypto market volume has contacted $137.77 billion. Crypto aficionados and the crypto business are not prepared to stop for the concern of danger to the macroeconomic and monetary solidness of the countries. The ongoing cost of Veles VLX is 23 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,122,663.27. The coin's market capitalization is $541,802,226.67, with a flowing stock of 2,283,522,550 VLX. The most exorbitant cost at which the coin exchanged was 57 cents, which is on November 4, 2021. An everything time low was noted at 1 cent on October 16, 2019. Taking a gander at the specialized examination outline. After Veles cost had been hanging for a long time, it went through cost activity in November, and costs began to flood, framing new highs. On November 4, 2021, it contacted the unequaled high in the Velas cost history. After the Velas cost increment on November 4, 2021 shaped a gigantic negative candle on the diagram with a sell Velas sign. After the constant ascent, this has occurred with each token. Financial backers lose revenue inputting and witness an enormous pullback in Velas cost levels. Once more, in the wake of taking help at half of the rising coin, a somewhat bullish pattern began. Velas VLX began falling through a diving wedge example, and it was severely followed back to the greater part of the raised level from the most extreme cost level. Velas cost today is 23 cents. At present there is a minor climb in the value which could turn positive sooner rather than later. Quick obstruction for Velas VLX coin is set at 34 cents. And any transcend this is supposed to take Velas to 40 cents. Significant opposition is put at 46 cents over the reach. Velas can be anticipated as a productive speculation for the present moment. Then again, in the event that the cost of Velas neglects to return from the quick help of 23 cents, then a Velas VLX cost can collide with 20 cents and significant help at 16 cents. In the wake of examining the information of a portion of the significant specialized pointers, RSI is set at 60.01. MACD is over the sign line for the past numerous days. Velas VLX cost is over the 50 MA and 20 MA and 200 MA. VLX cost expectation for the present moment is bullish. Financial backers and merchants can begin to go into Velas VLX. Velas value forecasts 2022 to 2026. The Velas cost has given a decent revisitation of financial backers for the last year. Huge returns in a solitary year made Velas worth the effort for the people who had the coin in their portfolio. The instability of computerized tokens generally relies upon the predominant market situation. Somewhat, the undertaking group have some control over interest and supply. The expansion pace of the coin additionally influences its cost. Velas cost conjecture is unrevealing long-haul development. VLX value expectation 2022. During the final part of the year, it is anticipated to move the cost to 31 cents, and the greatest future cost expected is 32 cents. The base cost is normal at 29 cents. Consequently, the year's typical cost is 31 cents territory just in light of our Velas cost figure. VLX coin value expectation 2023. Velas fans can expect a beginning at a typical cost of 35 cents and a base cost of 31 cents according to our Velas cost gauge. The VLX gauge anticipate the Velas cost will contact 39 cents around mid-year, and the greatest worth expected for the year is 38 cents. By 2023, according to our Velas coin estimate, it will break the record ever high and will be moving to new highs. VLX crypto value expectation 2024. VLX crypto conjecture predicting a start of 32 cents in January 2024. Velas cost expectations show it will break 49 cents by July 2024. Velas conjecture information implies that a most extreme anticipated reach will be 40 cents, another expansion for the coin esteem. Crypto sweethearts can put for medium term in the coin. Velas value forecast 2025. In view of our VLX coin conjecture, Velas future appears to be bullish in 2025. The year will begin